A really long time ago, when I was just starting out with this channel, someone asked me to microwave one of these. I'm finally going to do it. The thing is, I don't know if this is going to be interesting or boring. I'm thinking it'll be boring, but I'm hoping to be pleasantly surprised. Whoa, that's enough of that. Oh, Stroopwaffel smoke. Well, actually, you can breathe this. I was not expecting that to happen. It could just boil so fast. I mean, I figured it would get hot. Some of the caramel inside would run out. It would maybe start to bubble after a while. But that was impressive. For something like that, anyway.